What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto back with another episode. Today I'll be covering two awesome projects that I'm personally interested in and I believe have huge potential in the near future. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, I'd recommend you subscribing to the channel to not miss out on any CNFT news and updates. I'm coming with videos almost every day, so make sure you hit that notification bell to not miss a single video. Also, make sure you follow me over on Twitter at APECryptoYT for CNFT news, updates, and also daily giveaways. And if you want to support me even further, I'd appreciate it if you followed my own NFT project, Nerd CNFT, and make sure you join that Discord as well. So the first project in today's list is Grumpy Bunny. So what is Grumpy Bunny? Well, Grumpy Bunny is a light-hearted, fun project that is based around a series of grumpy bunnies who have recently exploded after a successful Season 1 launch. After releasing a limited collection of 100 bunnies in Season 1, the price of these bunnies have exploded. Now currently they're sitting at a 688 floor, and about 2 days ago they were at 1088. And considering they were cheap to mint, the return on investment for these initial 100 investors is insane. And this has sparked a ton of interest in the CNFT community. And you can see exactly why on the screen. The art for this project is extremely well done. It looks very professional, it's very clean, and they are very cute. They've just got that X factor about them that I personally love and adore. And I'm a big fan of these bunnies. Regardless of what you think of these, you have to appreciate the art. And the team have nailed this, which is a huge thing considering the niche that we're in. So given this insane movement in the terms of price, and the cute art that they've got released, it's captured the attention of loads of people in the CNFT community, including myself and the man himself, Jack Ingram, who is a person if you don't know, you should know. And I full well expect this trend to continue with Hoppy Halloween, which of course is an Halloween themed drop that grumpy bunnies are jumping on. And if you haven't seen any previews of it, here it is, and I honestly think the art and the attraction of it is better than the original drop. These bunnies with Halloween themed attributes look awesome, and I believe this will capture a ton of attention. And this is a drop that I'm personally very interested in. So how does this work? So a lot of it has got to do with airdrops and Series 1 holders. So all Series 1 holders qualify to receive one free Grumpy Pumpkin, which is this one here, and it'll be airdropped to the same wallet as their Series 1 Grumpy Bunny was bought in. And so if you haven't got a Series 1 bunny, don't stress, they're doing a public sale as well. They're making 3 edition spooky bunnies available for general sale, and they will have 100 of each, which make 300 in total at a price of $30.88 each. So anyone can buy this at 1 NFT per transaction with unlimited transactions, which is a very reasonable price considering the scarcity of this, and as well as considering the current floor for the current 100 of Season 1. So I'm interested in that drop, I believe it's very good, and I love the Series 1, and I'm just bullish on this as a whole. The art is great, but most importantly, the roadmap is awesome, and I really do believe it gives value to the original sets. So let's look at the Grumpy Gang rewards, which is ultimately the biggest standout that I see from this project. So a Series 1, so if you hold any bunny from Series 1, you receive a Hoppy Halloween drop and the 12 days of Genius drop, which will be their Christmas themed one, and you also get early access to 2 extra drops, and you also be in a chance to win a carnival ticket and a plush toy, all for holding Series 1. So you'd be mad to sell this. There's so much perks for holding the original bunnies, and you can see that reflection in the price. No shit, they're going to be valuable when you get so much back just for holding it. This is well done by the team, and it is something that my team and I are personally trying to install in our project to give our original drop and all the other drops value after they've been minted, instead of being a flip and pump and dump. So well done to the Grumpy Bunny team. And even with the Hoppy Halloween drop, you get an airdrop for the November promo as well. You've got a 1 of 5 chance to win a Freaky 5 CNFT at each new series release. So holding these is hugely advantageous, and so therefore I believe they'll exceed the price of $30.88 that they will be minted for, and as well as looking awesome and just being an NFT that everyone wants to see in their wallet. They've got plenty more series, plenty more drops, and they are transparent as anything, and I really love this project. The team really are doing a good job, and I do think it's a kind of a hidden gem. I say this as a hidden gem, even though they are popular on Twitter, but only have 500 members in their Discord. But let me assure you that these are quality members, it's all organic, and this is growing rapidly. And I believe we'll see an explosion in the prices of these due to the value that you get for actually holding them. The team are genius for doing this, and it shows they're really looking out for the holders. And it's something that I want to install in my own project, and it's something that all projects should want to install. Rewarding your holders is excellent, and it gives value to your NFTs, especially when they have no utility, even though these guys will. So overall, Grumpy Bunny is a really good project, and I'm very interested in the Hoppy Halloween drop. I'll personally be trying to get one of the 300, even though it will be very hard. It maybe wouldn't have been before, but it definitely will now that I've made a video about it. But that's alright, we can all have a piece of the pie. If you're interested in Grumpy Bunny, I'll leave a link to their Twitter, their beautifully done website, and their Discord so you can interact with the community and get a feel for yourself. As I always say in all my videos, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should be doing your own research before aping into these projects. Just because I'm interested in, it doesn't mean you have to be. So please do diligence and do your own research. So the second project that I'll be talking about today is Vudu Brigada, which I hope I'm pronouncing right. So what is Vudu Brigada? Vudu Brigada is a collection of 10,000 dolls living on the Cardano blockchain, and they are digitally handmade to perfection. As you can see, this project is fun, and as you can see, the art is beautiful. And not only that, it's really unique, and it's something that I'm a big fan of, and I think can become very popular and valuable in the future. And I've seen firsthand the CNFT community has recognized this. I've been spammed to make a video on this, and I've been spammed plenty of times, people expressing their opinions on how they think this is the next Claymates. And I wouldn't say they're the next Claymates because every project's unique in itself, but I definitely get what they mean. This project is super unique and it's super clean. Look how high quality that art is. Just look how unique it is as well. I haven't seen anything like this on Cardano, and I personally think it will be a hit. So outside of the art, why do I think this will be a hit? Well, the first things first, social media engagement. So as I mentioned before, I've been getting spammed and harassed to cover this, but also the engagement on their posts and the engagement in their Discord is quite high, especially for being almost 2 weeks out before their drop. So I expect this to pick up. They've recently hit 1,800 followers and 1,256 members on Discord. And if you've been following them, you've seen these numbers just continue to rise as people recognize how unique and how cool these NFTs are. This shit looks like it could be in a movie. I'm very impressed. So the art is beautiful, the social media engagement is good, but what about the team? Well, Vudu Brigada is run by Ruggero Lupo Mengoli, who's an Italian digital artist, and Yasmin Salaba, who is a Lebanese fashion stylist and art director. And they are both the founders of Polaris Collective, which is a creative content agency based in Florence in Italy. So that's great to know who they are and where they come from. So if you do a quick Google search for their company, you can see his and her faces, which is a good sign showing that they're doxed. They've also got their previous works and they just show how talented these people are, and it really shows what they're capable of.
Titties.
So with the team being doxed and having previous experience in all creative content, this is brilliant and it shows they're well versed. And you can definitely see the professionalism in their art, their website, and their social media channels, which is often overlooked. But to me, this gives a good sign of how capable the team is. So there's all huge positives there. So as you can see in their screen, they're launching in less than 2 weeks, and it's actually on the 27th of October at 8 PM UTC, and it will be a 10K CNFT collection, and I believe the launch will be through their website. So this is a drop that I'm certainly interested in, given the quality of the art, the experience of the team, the social media engagement, and this project is all round just looking very solid and promising. The art is unique and I love it, and I'm very interested in it. And so if you are as well, I'll leave a link to their beautiful website, their Twitter, and their Discord for you to all check out. Make sure you go through it yourself, look through the Discord, engage with the community, get a feel of it. Also head through their Twitter, suss that out, and also look at their website. Do your research for yourself. Papa isn't a financial advisor. I cannot wait for this drop. I do believe it's Vudu season, and that's why it's the second project on today's episode. So anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think of these projects. Do you like Grumpy Bunny? And are you going to get in on their drop? And do you like Vudu Brigada? Let me know. Are you going to get in on that drop? If you liked this video and most importantly found it valuable, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also hit that notification bell if you do not want to miss any CNFT video. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto for extra support. And if you want to give me some extra love, make sure you follow my own CNFT project at NerdCNFT. And make sure you join that Discord as well. I'm in there all the time. I've literally sent like 700 messages in 36 hours. So make sure you come in there, pop in, say hi, and support my project. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds of Versions. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.